For small apartment investors, knowledge is power. Understanding the market is key to making smart choices. It's like having a secret weapon in the real estate game. Market analysis helps you size up the neighborhood. You learn about the people who live there and what they can afford. This knowledge helps you find properties with the best potential. A solid market analysis reduces your risk. It's like having a safety net for your investment. It helps you avoid costly mistakes. Remember, in the world of real estate, knowledge is your best friend. Before you buy an apartment building, you need to define your target area. Where do you want to invest? Start with a specific location in mind. Once you have a location, it's time to learn about the people who live there. This is called demographic data. Age, income, and family size all matter. These factors tell you what kind of apartments are in demand. Next, look at the supply and demand for rentals. Are there a lot of empty apartments, or are people clamoring for places to live? This balance influences rental rates and your potential income. A strong local economy is good news for landlords. It usually means more renters and higher rents. But how do you gauge economic health? Start with employment. Our business is hiring. What are the major industries in the area? A healthy job market attracts renters with steady incomes. Income levels are another important factor. Higher incomes often translate into higher rental rates. Look at the average income in your target area to get a sense of what renters can afford. Finally, consider the cost of living. How much do people spend on essentials like groceries and transportation? This factor impacts how much renters have left over for housing. Section 4, putting it all together, a case study. Imagine you're considering an apartment building in a suburb outside a major city. Your market analysis reveals a growing population of young professionals. The area boasts a low unemployment rate and several new businesses. These are positive signs of a strong local economy. However, you also discover that several new apartment complexes are under construction. This increased supply could impact your occupancy rates and rental income. Section 5, your market analysis toolkit. Conducting market research might seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Plenty of resources can help. The US Census Bureau is a treasure trove of demographic data. You can find information on population, age, income, and more. Websites like Zillow and Realtor.com provide data on rental rates, vacancy rates, and recent sales. These sites can give you a feel for the local rental market. Don't forget about local resources like newspapers and community websites. These sources often have information about new developments and economic trends. By using these tools and resources, you can gather the information you need to make informed investment decisions.